recording it.
These kids are funny. They probably think they're in a Korean series or something.
God, you're too heavy.
Oh my god, you're too heavy. I just walk. No, just get in here. Get in here. I can carry you. Don't you think I'm not that? I can? Okay, if you say so. Right.
He needs a break sometimes, that's why. She posted on Facebook and then narrate it. Oh, she's
Oh.
running.
And running outside. Tick, 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 tick. Don't you think it's cool here? It's kind of far walk, carrying someone at your back. I'm losing them. I'm losing them.
Why?
Because it's far. It's on the wall. Oh, there you go. Where are they?
They're coming
Where did it go?
the other way.
Oh, there you go. Well, this is our view while
She's
having
going to
coffee.
end up being pregnant.
Oh. What advice can you tell them, those kids nowadays? Honey?
What can I tell them?
Oo.
Use a condom. It's David's favorite thing to tell his nephews.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's continue.
Must be fun.
Gotta climb up the steps.
Oh, let's go jump together. I think they're going to jump together.
Practicing sitting on his face.
Baliw. Okay. It's a good thing it's kind of far, so you didn't get to see their faces. I think those are students. It's probably Jasmine's boyfriend.
I don't think so.
Uh,
I don't think so.